Go for it. Yeah, well, you go. Go for the weld now. There is our pendulum, so you're having our pendulum there, so we can read our readings inside there. Okay? So there she touches the sample. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make sure that this small pendulum here moves from the black dots to the red dots. Okay, so look at what she's gonna do now. There we go. She just goes straight up until it touches the right. So now once that's done, she's gonna make sure that the pendulum shows 0. Check there. That is my 0. That is my 0. And then from there, she's gonna now put the loads on the sample. Check there. There she puts the load on the sample. Can you see that? So that is moving. That is moving. Can you see? So the load is being put on the sample. In this case, our load is 150 kilogram force. And attach our sample. So once the load is fully put on the sample, then we're gonna put it back. Check there. She puts back. Then we're gonna get our readings. Can you see that?